Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel, World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video, we are going to see about the interesting facts of the country. Philippines. Republic of Philippines. Philippines capital is Manila. The Filipino flag is made up of blue and white horizontal stripes and a white triangle featuring a golden sun and 3 stars. Philippines' total area is 300,000 square kilometers. Estimated population of the country is 108 million people. Major religion is Christianity. Major languages are Filipino and English. Philippine peso, the country's official currency. Philippines celebrate Independence Day on June 12. Philippines national bird Philippine eagle. Animal carbo. Port Aranis. Flower Sampigitu. Tree Nara. Fruits mango. Philippines are an island nation in Southeast Asia. Mount Apo is the tallest mountain at 2,954 meters height. Cayenne River is the longest river, 505 km long. Philippines' tallest building is Grand Hyatt Manila. Its height is 318 meters. Philippines is the home of 2 largest shopping malls in the world. Top 10 list. First is SM Mall of Asia, 4.2 million square feet. Second is SM Mega Mall, 3.6 million square feet. Erythromycin is invented in Philippines by Dr. Alvaro Aguirre back in 1949. The Philippines is the world's number 2 producer and exporter of coconuts. Follow Indonesia in the first place. The Philippines is located along the Ring of Fire, a belt of active volcanoes and earthquake epicenters. Makati City in Manila was named the selfie capital of the world with 258 selfie takers per 100,000 people. Filipinos love karaoke. It was Filipino inventor Roberto de Rosero developed the karaoke singing along system in 1975. The UNESCO listed rice terraces of the Philippine Cordilleras are one of the most famous sites in the country. The contoured rice terraces have existed for over 2,000 years. The Philippines saw the largest ever papal event when in 2015 as many as 7 million people flocked to see Pope Francis in Manila. Philippines is one of the 17 mega-diverse countries in the world. Mega-diverse countries are the world's most biodiversity-rich countries. The Philippines set the world record for simultaneous breastfeeding when almost 4,000 mothers feed their babies at the same time. Philippines are home to world's longest snake, reticulated python, weight 75 kg and longer than 7 meters. It is known to attack humans. Philippines has the longest Christmas season in the world, from September to January, eat by traditional masses, light display and family gatherings. In 2016, the world's natural giant calm pearl was discovered in Philippines, weighing 34 kg. Puerto Princesa Sundarban River is thought to be the world's longest navigable underground river at 24 km long. Filipinos love their shopping malls. Even if they don't buy anything, locals love to hang out in the shopping malls. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.